Howdy, it's Bella from Bellaboo, and today we will be teaching you how to do slime. And I have some shaving cream, 2 bottles of glue, and some salt. Layla?
Hi, my name is Layla.
Excuse her.
Here's some salt and some shampoo and some Cetaphil. And she said this is going to make some slime. It's going to make some slime. Okay, let's go. Oh, you have to do it like the YouTubers do. You have to show them like this. Oh, sorry.
Layla, what is wrong with you?
Is there supposed to be water in here?
So yeah, you're supposed to put the water.
Okay, so right now I'm putting some Suave Black Raspberry White Tea Shampoo. Salon Care, Color Care, Salon Approved.
Right now I am putting in my glue bottles.
Can we pause it? Why are we putting two soaps in there? Shampoo and soap. Okay, so I just put some freshwater hand soap, and I'm putting some Cetaphil in there. Don't you need like a spoon or something?
Oh.
She just said 1 bottle, idiot.
This is my bottle.
Oh, she sold the first bottle.
God.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to play like an idiot. Okay, can I? I told you this would not make any sense.
Yes. And this is a challenge because we are doing different recipes. We're going to see whose turns out better. It's good.
You know, I saw this lady on YouTube. She did this thing. I'm talking to the people. You should watch her channel. She's really cute. Oh, she was on Ellen and she did ice skating. Her little girl, but she couldn't go outside. This gonna stop me. And
now I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Okay, now I'm gonna start stirring. If I need anything on the way, then I will put it in. I think I might have put a little bit too much shaving cream.
it looked like it needed some salt. Because it's not. Did I do that? This is not. What do you know?
Do you have just glue left? Speaking.
Okay, yeah, it's coming to form when I add this in it.
Okay, mine isn't looking too good, and this is my first time doing slime, so. Yeah.
I think yours needs some more salt. Does it turn into slime when you mix it?
Yeah, it's supposed to.
So you have to mix a lot. So right now I'm just whipping up and mixing the slime.
Right now I'm trying to make it at least a little bit slimy, but it's not working out for me. So far, this is what it looks like.
Okay. Let's see what crusty. Okay. This just looks like cottage cheese, Mom.
Now start doing it with your hand.
This looks like cottage cheese, Bella. Let me add some of mine in there.
Okay, go ahead. No, don't. Oh, I know what will make it better. Some Suave shampoo. Yeah.
This is just watery. Oh, never mind. It's slime.
Yeah, keep mixing.
What is that? Why did you wash the pan? It's shaving cream because when I sprayed it, it went everywhere.
So right now I'm adding some shampoo to make it thicker. I'm definitely probably not making slimes. So maybe that's it.
Add some salt.
We're gonna have to wash this. Salt is the activator. If you didn't know that.
It turned into like paper. It's because the salt's that. Look. No, you have to feel the parts.
Stop it!
Oh, sorry.
Crazy. I'm feeling something.
Hand that threw me the hand rag. Oh, mystery hand. Can we have some more shampoo? Yes. Okay. Oh, I could be Salt Bae. I'm gonna show you what Salt Bae does. Look, look, look. Wait, look, look, look.
You guys, my slime so far.
Can I have some?
Yeah. Oh, you saw that? That's slime. Deformed, watery slime. That's my brother. Oh, not
That's
him.
the.
Please, can you bring me?
No, this one's mine. Okay, I just need to wash it. Mommy, this will help the stains out the seat. They already know you there.
We have some cleaning to do after this.
Can you open this? Can they see my nose? Don't do that. You keep my dress dirty. No, leave it off.
And after comment and tell us who you think won.
What?
Give me some.
Oh, sorry.
I'll do it. I need more.
Okay, that's enough.
And I lost my spoon. Oh, there it is.
Oh,
Mhm.
what did you do? the shaving cream in a can.
We will need some dye. We
Oh, okay.
will need some dye.
Okay. Mommy's tearing the slime.
Let me feel.
No, get out of my bowl. Dang it. Look, look.
Why you got these?
We need color.
Okay. So can I have black? Red, please.
Okay. Okay. I can't do it. Oh, we don't. Yeah, it's gel food color.
First, so far.
Stop showing mine. It's not done. I didn't activate it yet.
You put plenty of salt in it.
Okay, why did I put it in when I did that?
Pretty.
Do we have more salt in the cabinet? We should. We'll always have salt. Oh! I'm slow?
No,
I'm slow?
You're making fun of our counter.
Can you open this?
No, I'm slow. Be careful, it has dye, don't get it everywhere, okay?
Okay.
Why is she watching this? Okay.
Hey,
Maybe I need
pour
some
in
flour.
dye in, and it's red dye. B.
That's enough. That's enough. So right now, I'm just putting shaving cream in a bowl.
And then we'll send some other sheet.
It's not gonna get it up. You don't want me to. So I'm putting some barbecue. Yeah, like they can. Whipping in the kitchen.
Okay, I need some.
Whip in the kitchen. Baby, in the house.
Where's the salt?
Hi guys, it's
Okay, hi everybody.
okay. So it didn't work out, and
About
we're gonna
to
wrap
end.
it up. Actually, what we're gonna do is mix it,
Yep. Mix the colors in.
and now you have a nucleus.
And let me show all y'all.
Wait,
Okay.
it's slime now. It's slime. Wait, now you gotta wait.
Oh my gosh, you.
Belly button. Okay. Look at this.
Ooh. Okay.
Around me are familiar
Oh my
forms.
gosh.
Bella! Sorry. Okay,
My
so
shirt.
it didn't quite get the consistency, so we'll see you soon. Okay, bye.
Hopefully we'll make another slime video and it will work out.
Bye, all her subscribers on Bella Boo.
Like, comment, subscribe, and
like
who's won
and comment
before
for
we
more.
mixed it.
And tag your favorite challenges down there and we'll do them. And I hope you guys have a good day. Okay?
Bye.